Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Numero eSIM app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, first go back to your Google Play Store app, and now make sure when you open that you are logged in before you search for your app. However, if you are already logged in, then go to your profile here, tap on it and go to settings, and under this go to network preference and look for app download preference and choose this first option over any network, and okay. This will ensure you can download the app via the current network you are connected to. However, should this not work, then you want to check if you have enough space. If you don't have enough space, then delete unnecessary or unwanted apps or files to create more space for you to download and install this app. But should the space not be the issue, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, just long press on your Play Store app and you should see app info or a settings gear here. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to Google Play Store app info page to troubleshoot it. Alternatively, you can just go to settings, and from settings look for apps and then manage apps. Or if you don't see manage apps, you should see all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone, and then just search for your app by name and then search Play Store. Here it is, and here we are on the app info page. First go to force stop the app and then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay. Then restart your smartphone. Once you're done, now go to Google Play Store and activate search and search for your app like that. And if I run the search, now our app is here. Go ahead and install it, and as you can see, now I can install the app. So that's how you can fix and install Numero eSIM app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.